Reverse mortgages, step by step from application to closing. Thinking about a reverse mortgage but unsure how the process works? Hi there, I'm here to walk you through the step-by-step journey from application to closing so you know exactly what to expect. First, speak to a reverse mortgage specialist like me. In this consultation, we'll go over how a reverse mortgage works, discuss your financial goals and home equity options, and find out how much you may qualify for. This is a great time to ask questions and see if a reverse mortgage fits your needs. Step 2 is the mandatory HUD counseling. Before moving forward, you must complete HUD-approved counseling. This ensures you understand the terms and obligations of the loan, the costs, potential alternatives, and how a reverse mortgage affects your estate and heirs. Once completed, you'll receive a certificate required to proceed. Step 3 is the application and financial review. Here, you'll complete the official reverse mortgage application. We'll also conduct a financial assessment to make sure you can cover property taxes, homeowners insurance, and home maintenance. Step 4 involves a home appraisal. A licensed appraiser will evaluate your home to determine its current market value. This is important because your loan amount is based on your home's appraised value, your age, and current interest rates. Step 5 is where the loan is processed and submitted to underwriting. Once your appraisal is complete, the processing and underwriter will review all financial documents, such as your income documents, insurance, and property taxes. They will also review the appraisal to ensure everything is in line with the value. They'll check for derogatory credit that might cause a denial and confirm your eligibility before submitting everything for final approval. This process typically takes 30 to 45 days depending on your case. Finally, we come to Step 6, closing and funding. Once your loan is approved, it's time for closing. You'll sign the final paperwork and choose how you'd like to receive your funds, as a lump sum, monthly payments, a line of credit, or a combination of these. After a 3-day waiting period, your reverse mortgage is funded and you can start using your home equity. And that's it. Now you know the full reverse mortgage process from application to closing. If you're ready to explore your options, comment below, visit my website, or call or text me anytime. Thanks for watching.